everyone, welcome to today's class. Today, we will learn about other important components in pipelines, including filters, rotameters, and pressure gauges. These components play a key role in chemical production. We need to correctly understand their structures, characteristics, and selection rules, which is crucial for our future work in the chemical industry. First, let's learn about filters. Filters, installed on pipelines, which are used to remove solid impurities from fluids, to ensure that machinery, including compressors, pumps, valves, etc., and instruments can work and operate normally. This achieves a stable process and ensures safe production. Common filters include Y-type filters, T-type filters, and basket filters. Structurally, they mainly consist of a filter screen, housing, inlet, outlet, and other parts. The characteristics of different types of filters are compared as follows. Y-type filter. The structure is Y-shaped. It is a coarse pipeline filter and can be used to filter large particles in liquids, gases, or other media. It is usually installed at the inlet of pressure-reducing valves, relief valves, constant water level valves, or other equipment. It is used to remove impurities from the medium, to protect the normal use of valves and equipment. Y-type filters can be installed horizontally or vertically. T-type filter. The shape resembles a T. It is used to filter large particles in the medium and can remove larger solid impurities from the fluid. T-type filters can be installed horizontally or vertically. Basket filter. The internal filter screen resembles a basket. It can only be installed horizontally and is usually used for DN greater than 80 millimeters. And when the fluid contains many impurities. During installation, the arrow on the filter should align with the direction of the system medium. In terms of application range, Y-type filters have a simple structure and they are low cost and widely used. Y-type filters are generally chosen when there are no special requirements for pipeline conditions. The biggest feature of filters is their ability to effectively filter impurities, ensuring the purity of the fluid. Moreover, their structure is simple, and they are easy to install and maintain. However, different types of filters vary in filtration accuracy and applicable fluids. When selecting filters, we need to consider several factors, mainly including inlet and outlet diameter, nominal pressure, mesh size selection, and filter material. Next, let's look at rotameters. Rotameters are commonly used flow measurement instruments. Their structure mainly includes a vertical conical tube and a rotor that can move freely up and down inside the tube. When fluid flows upward through the conical tube, the rotor is pushed upward by the fluid force until the forces of gravity, buoyancy, and fluid force on the rotor reach equilibrium. At this point, the position of the rotor corresponds to a certain flow rate. The characteristics of rotameters are quite significant. Common types include glass rotameters and metal rotameters. Pointer-type metal rotameters have characteristics such as a small size, a wide detection, and a convenient usage, and so on. They are particularly suitable for measuring small flow rates of liquids and gases. Pointer-type metal rotameters can only display instantaneous flow rates with remote transmission functions. When selecting rotameters, firstly, clarify the type of fluid to be measured and the flow rate range. Different fluids have different densities and viscosities, which affect the forces on the rotor. Therefore, it is necessary to select the appropriate rotor material and flow rate range based on the fluid properties. At the same time, based on the working pressure and temperature of the pipeline, select rotameters that meet the pressure and temperature resistance requirements. Finally, let's learn about pressure gauges. Pressure gauges are instruments used to measure pressure in pipelines. They are crucial for ensuring the safety of chemical production. Common spring pressure gauges mainly consist of a spring tube, movement dial, and pointer. The spring tube is the pressure sensing element. When pressure acts on the spring tube will deform. Then the movement converts this deformation into pointer rotation, thus indicating the pressure value on the dial. The characteristics of spring pressure gauges include a simple structure and wide measurement range, so they are commonly used to measure the pressure of clean gas and liquid media. When selecting pressure gauges, based on the production process requirements, select the appropriate type of pressure gauge. At the same time, determine the appropriate range based on actual needs. Generally, the range of the pressure gauge should be 1.5 to 3 times the maximum measured pressure. This not only ensures measurement accuracy, but also prevents damage to the pressure gauge due to excessive pressure. In addition, based on the usage environment and measurement accuracy requirements, select a pressure gauge with the appropriate accuracy level. Students, today we learned about the structures, characteristics, and selection rules of filters, rotameters, and pressure gauges in chemical pipelines. This knowledge is very practical for our future studies and work. I hope everyone will review carefully after class to deepen your understanding. That's all for today's lesson. Next, let's consolidate the knowledge we learned today through a few exercises.